414. For your safety, please keep buckled up and keep carry-on items put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening overhead bins, as items tend to move during flight. If you have a receipt that says claim at gate, you can pick up your items outside the front boarding door. And if you need any extra assistance or time getting off of the plane, we are going to ask you please stay seated until after the plane processes over so that we can better assist you. For further information on connecting flights or baggage claim, you can check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. Be sure to visit JetBlue.com to learn about our TrueBlue Loyalty program, where you can earn points on all of your flights starting on today's flight. If you receive an email survey about your trip, we'd love to get your honest feedback. And on behalf of everyone here at JetBlue, especially this Orlando-based crew, thank you for flying with us today. For those of you from the San Antonio area, we'd like to be the first to say welcome home. For those of you that did take advantage of our JetBlue card offer on today's flight, again, please remember you're going to be applying online via that QR code that was given to you, or by completing the paper application and mailing it for free from any mailbox within the U.S. Keep in mind that those are the only two ways that you can get that annual fee waived for the first year. If you apply anywhere else, they will have you pay that annual fee, and you will also get a different bonus offer of lesser value. If anyone else still wants to take advantage of that offer for the Plus card, or if you're interested in our no annual fee card, which is available through that same QR code, we'll have applications set up in the foreign galley for you to grab one as you leave the plane today. And both cards that we have to offer you enjoy no foreign transaction fees and 50% off on all eligible flight purchases.